Hello guys, today in this video I am going to demonstrate you few questions which you might face in the interview. And all those questions are related to the JavaScript array. So here it is the first question you can see. This one is the first question you can see. What will be the output of this line of code? So what I will do, I will give you 10 seconds and you need to solve this within 10 seconds. The time starts now. So as you can see, now time is completed. So let me just copy this code and paste it here in the Sublime text editor, and here I am going to put it. Okay, and now I have saved the code and I have opened it here in the browser so that you can see. So let me just hit the refresh button here, and you can see that in the console it has given the error that I is not defined. Okay, that means if I will I have not defined, that's why it is giving us error. But suppose if I am commenting it use strict, and now I will run or refresh the page, then you can see I am able to see here string. Okay, so that means in the strict code we cannot use, like first we can assign the number and then we can assign a string. So it is not permitted in use strict or strict code in the JavaScript, but without strict it is working very well. So this was the output of this code. Okay, that is the error that I is not defined. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, and which is this one is the question. So you can see here, this is the array related thing, and here you will have again 10 seconds, and I hope you have been calculating the output or which will be written in the log. So now time is up, so let me copy this and go here in the Sublime text and let me paste it here. Okay, and I have saved it, and here I am going to here and refresh my web browser, and here you can see the output. So in the output it has printed pineapple, banana, orange, apple and mango, and here in the code you can see banana, orange, apple and mango is already present in the fruits array. And there is one other thing than the mango, which is pineapple. Then all four things which is pineapple is added at the top, or we can say as the first element of the array. Okay, so what it is doing, this unshift and shift. So unshift is basically the main thing here, which will add the elements at the front of the array elements. So suppose let me remove it or comment it here, and let me refresh the page again after saving, and you can see here lemon, pineapple has been added at the initial element in the array, in the fruits array. Okay, so that is the use of shift, and once I put here that was the use of unshift, and once I put here shift, then what it will do, it will just shift one element of this array. So let me just refresh this, and you can see here, okay, you can see here the banana has been removed now, and orange, apple and mango is present here in the log. Okay, and one more thing is here, suppose I remove this cranberry and I put nothing here, then ever it will remove only the first element left. So let me refresh it, and you can see we are getting the same output. Okay, so basically the main thing is that this code will do, this will okay, so what this code will do, this will first add these two elements at initial of this fruits array, and then fruits dot shift will remove only the first element, which will be the lemon. Okay, and after lemon, like pineapple, banana, orange, apple and mango will be printed in the log. Okay, so that is the output of this line of code. Okay, so now let's move to the third question, which is again related to the array. So this complete video series is basically related to the array. So let me go ahead and start the timer again, and now the time starts. So now I will copy this code here, and I will go ahead in the Sublime, and here I will paste this line of code here, and I have saved it. And let me go ahead in the browser and let me refresh this page, and here you can see the output is banana, orange, apple, mango, kiwi and lemon. Okay, banana, orange, apple, mango, kiwi and lemon, but pineapple is here not present. So what it is doing, it is pushing the three elements kiwi, lemon and pineapple at end of the array. Okay, so suppose I don't put here pop, and just let me save it and refresh the page again. So it is now the seven elements present here, which starts from banana and ending with pineapple. That means kiwi, lemon and pineapple has been added at the last elements of the array. Okay, so push, that means push will do what push will do. Push will add all these elements at the end of the array. Okay, and pop, what pop will do, pop will remove the last element of the array. So suppose here pineapple is the last element, so let me just refresh this, and you can see pineapple is now removed from the last element from array. Okay, so this was the difference between shift and unshift and push and pop. So unshift, what will do, unshift will add all the elements at the initial of the array, and push will do, it will push the elements at the end of the array. And in the same way, what shift will do, shift will remove the elements from the starting of the array, while pop will remove the elements from ending of the array. Okay, so now, so you can conclude here that this is the answer: banana, orange, apple, mango, kiwi and lemon. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, which is question number 4. So here it is the question, it is also related to the array. So let me start the timer. So now let me go ahead and copy this line of code here, and let me put it here. Okay, and I have saved it. So now what I will do, I will go ahead in the browser and I will refresh the page. So you can see I have got here answer is 97. Okay, so now here I have used array, means reduce function in the with array. Okay, so what reduce function will do, reduce function will get the, or here it will call this function, and this function is taking 3 parameters. So here I have opened the calculator, and here I will pass as a total, which will be 171 first. So here I am putting 175 first. So here I have put total as 175, and the num will be the second value of array, which is 50. So here I am passing minus 50, because here I am decreasing or like subtracting num from total. That's why let me put here equal to. So now it has been 125, and the current index, which is 1, that means this loop, or we can say this is going to the first iteration of this reduce function. so that's why here I am going to do minus 1. So it has become here 124. And here what I will do next, in the next iteration, now total has become 124 and the next item which is 25. So what I will do, total minus num, that means 124 minus 25, which has been 99, and here current index is 2, so that's why I will do minus 2 and it has become 97. Okay, so this way it is calculating. So you can see here 97 is coming. So suppose I am doing some modification here, or I am putting here 20, okay, 2020. So what it will do, or what will be the output? So let me go again here and let me refresh the page, and here you can see it has been 102. And in the same way we can also calculate here. Once again, the first total will be 175 and minus num will be 50, okay, and minus current index will be 1, which has been 124, and then again minus 124 is total, and now we are reducing the num, which is 2020, and then the current index is here 2 and it has been 102. So you can see we are able to calculate the output. Okay, so basically the answer is here, just a minute, let me think the value earlier for. Okay, so that means the answer is 97. Okay, so 97 will be the output of this question. So now let's go to the next question, which is question number 5. And here you can see this is the question, and here again I will start the timer. Okay, so now time has been started, and now time is been completed. So now I hope that you would have calculated your answer. Okay, and now let me copy this and put it here in the strict mode. Okay, and I have put it here. So now let me go ahead in the browser and refresh the page, and you can see here in the console the banana, like 4 elements or 5 elements have been printed here: banana, orange, lemon, apple and mango. And here again go here, banana, orange, lemon, apple and mango. That means each and every element has been printed in the log. Okay, so why it is happening like that? So the main reason is here that slice is, that means we are going to bring some part of that given array. So here it has taken the whole part, okay, whole array, because now here I am going to, or I am saying the compiler that we are going to calculate the from the right side of that array. That means from the ending of the array we are going to start the calculation. That means this is minus 5. That means from here I am going to count 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and the minus 5th element is banana. That's why it has started counting from banana, and from banana to the 5th element, which is mango. So that's why it has calculated banana, orange, mango, apple, lemon, apple and mango. Okay, that's why it has printed all the elements. Okay, so that was the answer of this question. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, which is question number 6, and here again you will get 10 seconds of time. So let me start the timer. Okay, so now time has been completed. So let me copy this line of code here and go ahead and let me put it here. Okay, and now I will go to the browser and I will hit the refresh button here, and you can see here it has printed false. Okay, so now why it has printed false? Because this method, this is the sum method which we have applied on the array. Okay, so what this method will do, some method will always return either true or false. That means it is going to just check the condition which has been passed in the given method, and it will take only one element as a parameter. Okay, you can see we have passed here one element as a parameter in the method, and that method we have called inside the sum method. Okay, so here it is checking if age is greater than 28. Okay, in this array, if any element is greater than 28, okay, in the array, then it will print true. But as you know, not a single element is greater than 28. That's why it has printed here false in the console. But suppose what I will do, let me put here, if some age is less than 28, then it will return true. So let me just refresh the page, and you can see here we are getting the value as true. So that was the just okay one thing here. To that's the only thing what it will do. It will just print either true or false. So let me save this. Okay, and so the answer is false. So now let's move to the next question, which is question number 7, and let me start the timer again here. Now the time has been completed, so let me copy this code and go ahead and put it here. Okay, and now let me go to the browser and let me hit the refresh button here, and here you can see in the output we have got the 4 elements: cranberry, banana, mango and kiwi. And what it is doing, basically it is splice. That means it is cutting out or like taking out the few elements only which we are going to pass here, the position of the element. Okay, so 2, that means it is going to start taking the elements from the second position, and that second position is going to be the that second position is going to be going to be 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is the second position. That means it is going to bring out the banana and apple, okay, from orange to the second. That means it need to get the bring out the 2 values. Okay, and what it will do, one more thing what you need to see or keep the thing in mind, that it is going to modify the current array. Okay, so you can see it is modifying the current array. That means it is going to remove the orange from the array, you can see, and again the next element is apple. So you can see it will remove 2 elements from the array. Okay, so it has removed orange and apple from the array, you can see, and it has printed cranberry, banana, mango and kiwi. Okay, so it has applied all the changes on the actual array. So this is the answer, and I think and I hope that you have got the idea of splice. What it will splice is doing here, splice is just cutting out, or we can see it removing the elements from the array what we are going to pass here, the position, and this one is the position of the starting position of the element from where it need to remove the element, and here it is number of elements which need to be removed. Okay, so suppose here I am going to put only 1, then what it will do, let me refresh the page. So it has now removed only 1. So you can see apple is present now, only orange is removed. Okay, and suppose in the same way I am going to put 3, then it will remove the 3 elements from orange, apple and mango. Okay, let me refresh this. Now you can see mango is also removed, only 3 elements are remaining in the array now. Okay, so this was the idea. So here the answer of this question was this one. Okay, so now only 4 elements are remaining, in the array, and 2 elements have been removed from the array, orange and apple. Okay, so what splash is doing, it is removing the selected elements from the array. Now let's move to the next question, which is question number 8, and again you will have 10 seconds of time to calculate the answer. Now answer has been calculated. I hope that you have calculated the answer. So let me copy this and go ahead in the Sublime and put my code here and go to the browser and hit the refresh button. Okay, and you can see here banana, orange, apple and mango is the output. Banana, orange, apple and mango is the output. So what value of is doing, it is showing us the value of the elements present in the arrays. That's why you can see these are like that. Okay, this is that showing us the elements on the array. It is not doing anything else. Okay, if I suppose I do here fruits only, then again it will print, I think, the same, and you can see here it is printing the same thing. Okay, so there is not any difference. This is just for the creating the confusion for the developers, or you can say for the interviewer. Okay, so this was the answer of this question. So now let's move to the next question, which is question number 9, and here again you will have 10 seconds. And now you can see the time is completed. So let me just copy this and put it here in the Sublime text editor. Okay, and here I have pasted it, and now I am going to refresh the browser. Okay, so now you can see we have got the output as a string here. So you can see the difference between both the output is here. In the first join, what it is doing, it is just joining the elements of the array. All those 4 elements have been joined, and with the difference of the space. Okay, that's why you can see this is the first log which has been printed with space. Okay, and in the same way second we are doing .toString. So what it is doing, it is just converting these all elements of array as a string and with the comma separation. Okay, so that's why you can see comma between or separated all these 4 elements. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go to the next question. Okay, this was the answer of this question. So now this is the next question, which is question number 10, and this is the last question of this video series. Sorry, this video tutorial, not video series. Okay, so now again here you will have 10 seconds to calculate the answer. Now you can see time has been completed. So now let me copy this and paste it here in the Sublime text editor. Okay, now I have saved it, and let me go ahead in the browser and refresh the page, and here you can see it has printed everything as a separate array. Okay, so here what it is doing, we are just here running the for loop. Okay, until the last element till the last element of the array, and here we are printing x. Okay, so what it is doing, x is taking one thing as an array, and now we are logging that x in the same way orange, in the same way apple, and in the same way mango. Okay, and you can see here the difference. At the 0 position it is banana, 1 position it is orange, 2% is apple and 3% is mango. That means when you do or you print the things like that with the help of for loop, then it is going to print the complete position with the value of the element in the log. So this was the output of this question. Okay, so that is all guys in this video, and I hope you got or you have learned something new related to the JavaScript array. So that's all in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.